Hello everyone, welcome back to Maverick Mods. Sometimes I wonder, is it possible just to buy a vehicle and not mess with it? I look back at everything I've ever owned and I'm not sure I've ever actually owned a car or a truck that I just didn't have the itch to, it just wasn't quite good enough as it was. Well, a while back I bought a 99 Dakota pickup. Idea being that it would be a good run around town, haul stuff around with it. When I opened the shop here, it's kind of a perfect shop truck. And then, the wheels started turning and I decided, maybe I can improve things a little bit. So here's the 3 steps to how to ruin your shop truck. There's a story behind doing the V8 swap on the Dakota here. I knew the V6 had to go away. Flat didn't have enough power to get out of its own way. And I figured if I'm going to do a V8 swap, I might as well go all the way within reason. And of course, Dodge put the 5.9 in the Dakota RTs. So I looked at my local wrecking yards. One in the town next to me had just gotten a Dakota RT in with the 5.9 in it. So I rushed down there, found that somebody had already pulled the engine transmission, but only took the transmission. And they just left the engine laying off to the side of the truck. It looked exactly like you see it in the pictures now. Everything on top of the engine was burned. There was an underhood fire when the truck got wrecked. So I figured, what the heck? Got my wrench out, made sure it turned over, pulled the spark plugs, checked them, everything looked good. I said, I'm going to take a chance on this, worked a deal, got the engine for core value, took it home, and right next to it was another Dakota that had a 318 or a 5.2 in it, that everything that was damaged, burned, or otherwise no good on top of the 5.9 was sitting on the truck next to it. So I grabbed all of that. So I came home with all the parts and pieces necessary to reassemble a 360 or a 5.9 to drop in the truck. So here we go. Did I really ruin the truck? No, I actually made it a lot better. Unfortunately, you know, it's not a drive it around, beat on it, tear it up. You don't really care if you tear it up kind of a truck anymore. And that's what a shop truck is. So I kind of ruined it as a shop truck. Got a nice truck in the process. Maybe I'll have to get another shop truck. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Certainly appreciate all you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. It certainly does help me out. Everybody, have a great day. Oh, and look for future episodes where maybe I'll improve the shop truck some more. All right. Everybody, have a great day.